All right, hey everybody. Today on Rush Factory Garage, we get rid of these stock mirrors and put on some fancy bar end mirrors. Oh yeah, so stay tuned. I got these Amazon bar end mirrors. They're like $40. Let's see what they come with. Got the instructions. Ooh, look at that. Got the, hey, these are pretty solid. Okay. And it comes with the bar ends. There we go. Some spacers and some bolts and Allen keys. Here's the mirrors. Pretty nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put these on. Okay, so first what you want to do is go ahead and remove the stock bar end. There it is. Okay, so go ahead and grab the bar ends from the kit and remove this spacer sleeve thingy. We won't be using that. We'll use a smaller one. And then it comes with these spacers here. But for our bike, we're gonna use this one. Put that sucker in there like that. Okay. Okay, next grab the mirror rod, this guy, put it like that, and that goes into the bike. And then the mirror attaches right here. And you can either have it face that way up or down. I'm gonna try going this way, see how it feels, or how it looks like. Okay. Okay, next is to go ahead and grab the mirror. There we go. And we're gonna use this little screw here. And there it is installed. Pretty easy to do. Just gotta wrap it up by tying down that guy there and tying down that guy right there after you figure out which angle you want this to go. Okay, and to remove the stock mirrors, just go ahead and just twist this guy here like that and it comes off. Like so. Ta-da! One tip to give you is when you're doing this part here, installing this into the bar and into the handlebars, when you twist this guy here, you see how that thing moves? It's not supposed to move when you're tying it down, so I recommend getting some pliers and just kind of holding this in place here and tighten it a little bit. As this guy comes in, it'll push this spacer sleeve out. Just kind of do that slowly when you do it into the handlebars until it grabs, and then once it grabs in there, just tightly push it in and just go ahead and tighten that down. Okay, so we're almost done. All right, so here we go. Got the mirrors, one going up and one going down, just to get an idea of how it looks. I'll go ahead and change them both here in a second to either up or both down. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Should I leave them up or down? Or should I go to stock? Nah, I'm not going back to stock. Those mirrors are ugly. And please hit that like and subscribe button, guys, so I can make you guys some more videos and more mods on the bike. And hopefully I can do more other videos on cars and stuff too. All right, I decided to go with them facing down like that. Looks pretty cool, I think. All right, let me know what you think. Oh, also, when you push the lever, it doesn't touch it. There's a little space there. And then on this side, we're good there, and the throttle does not stick. All right, all I have to do now is just adjust the mirrors, and then we're all good. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.